Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, December 12th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro US dollar starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So today is CPI inflation data for the US, so that is definitely going to affect all the US dollar pairs, so definitely make sure you're using proper risk management as always. So anyways, I still think we're in an uptrend. I still think this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 that is forming right now. I believe that we're in the very, very early stages of a wave 3. So let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I still think this right here is a wave 1. I still think this is an expanding flat for the wave 2. I believe we're in a wave 3 and probably like a 1 of 3 still. And I do believe on this weekly time frame that it will continue to make higher highs, higher lows for this wave 3. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, we are sitting right at a fib level, right at the 50%. For me, if it does go up and break structure in a big way, especially at the news today, then I would take that as a long, because I do think the higher time frames are telling us the trend is up. I still think that this is going to continue the uptrend, like I was saying on the weekly, making higher highs and higher lows. This was a very strong move to the downside, but that was definitely more the euro than anything causing that move down. So let's head down to the 4 hour time frame. So we do have CPI inflation data today, but then tomorrow we have FOMC federal funds rate for the US also. So I really wouldn't be surprised if today's news actually caused it to go down, maybe even to the 61.8, and then tomorrow's news causes it to go up. But like I said, if it does break structure in a big way, then that is definitely going to turn me into a buyer, and at that point, I would definitely be looking for buys at the end of pullbacks, especially on shorter time frames. Taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame. Like I said, this does kind of look like it could possibly be an ABC correction, and the fact that we have news coming out in a few hours does kind of lead me to believe that this is going to make a move down today, and then tomorrow's FOMC statement is when the euro dollar is actually going to turn into a big up rally. But if it does keep going up, and if it does break structure, then that is definitely going to turn me into a buyer, and from that point forward, I will definitely be looking for buys at the end of pullbacks, like I said, especially on the shorter time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.